Concentrate on the construction figures, shall we? You will see the final bottom line requires the factoring in of not just the material and construction costs, but also the architect's fees and the costs of land.
Whenever goods are manufactured, there is something called as production cost associated with it. Now, there are three main types of production cost. One is direct material, direct labor, and overheads. Direct material means a material that is directly traceable in the product. So for example, if you wear a denim jeans, one can easily recognize there is denim in the product. Or when you buy a car, you know that there is steel in that automobile. Direct labor is the cost associated in contributing towards the product. So for example, a chef's salary would contribute in making the dishes, and hence it is direct labor. Many times different supplies are used in the production of a product, such as oils that can be used for maintaining the machinery. When we add direct material and direct labor cost, we get something called as prime costs.